Hello, everyone. This is Brett Wheeler again, and for this discussion, sexual predator near the school campus. And looking at what the principal would actually, uh, how they would inform the parents and what they would tell them in relation to this occurrence. First, the concerned parents need communication specifically and directly from the principal about this situation. This communication needs to be clear, concise, and accurate. Multiple communication avenues need to be used by the principal to address parents' concerns and to ensure all parents receive the necessary information. Communication also needs to be provided in a digital form through the school website, parent portal, and email, in the school's social media page. Also, the information needs to be communicated through paper correspondence for those parents without digital access. In addition, parents should have access to this information in all native languages so that everyone has the same information and has equal access to that information. In addition, information should be conveyed by the principal as soon as the principal learns of these parents' concerns for the sexual predator in an area campus from the Facebook post, and there is a plan in place by the principal to communicate to the parents on the steps that the school will take to protect their students. The principal first needs to acknowledge the parents' concerns and outline the steps that the district is using to protect students on campus to ensure student safety and to also reassure parents and their concerns. The principal should also needs to provide information and resources to help parents protect their children in the community while not at school, because this says that it occurred near a school but not actually at a school, so that information would be critical to the plan. The principal also needs to communicate to their staff and provide a plan that the campus is will use to protect the students on campus. For instance, that plan may include making sure to walk all students to their car during parent pickup, and ensuring that there is a tag or sticker with the student's name and there's verification of the parent that's picking up the student. So that way the student does not get in a vehicle with an unknown individual. The principal also critical is the principal should update the parents and staff and other community stakeholders weekly during this event and more often as needed. There needs to be continued communication by the principal, not in response to any updates to the event. It needs to be preventative rather than reactive, and convey that the principal does know their plan, that the school is following the plan, and that the students are safe on campus, and steps that the parents can take to help ensure safety while the students are off campus. I think all of these steps taken together with the communication plan would provide all of the necessary things that the parents would need to feel safe to send their kids to school, and also provide an avenue for any kind of communication updates if anything does change and parents need to be updated. Thank everyone for watching, and everyone have a great evening.